Rabbits rub their chin on things to mark their territory using scent glands located under their chin, which release a scent that is undetectable to humans. This behavior helps them establish ownership and communicate with other rabbits about their space.
In bloom, soft whispers float, perfume.
This, of course, means Daisy owns all the nettles, the sticky weed and the grass. Dotty, on the other hand, has this dry leaf. Nature can be cruel. These poor rabbits, reared on fresh fruit and green vegetables, are forced to forage in the wild for hours a day.